hustle, war hustle, and way see in the CCR. So, the bit there, the whole thing, I'm to my Academia, 80% Ghana for the way voting in panel out, and I will see him. Emma mentioned it is CCR, no. So, whatever it is, no, that expectation now, yeah, Papa John Mahama, or the bear, no. Manifesto the mono in somehow or woman, yeah, expected all the implement my baby out for come on. That's why mother also for people to be baby was a best common there next 4 years in the past basis say that a brand yankas all the there
on also for him as a friend in commission.
Okay,
in commission on year as you generate it by observation.
Okay,
you generate it by what people say. You generate it by happening.
Okay.
True prophecy is the revelation of the intent, the heart, the mind of God as it concerns a people, a nation, or an event. In so for more coordination, on young commission, letter norbo, another onka there or a canadian. When more chapel maker about the CD to the dollar, on your mina wakati me Ghana. Na me un baby so major there or what one baby found on encounter nyamenism. On that's why I keep teaching that. You see, one of the things that is really worrying the prophetic in this nation is that we have taught people about the prophetic, we have taught them about the manifestation of the gift, but we have not empowered the people to judge us. Into all my day, may beki biara no, even nyame waka. No matter how anointed the man of God is, on ya semo beki biara nyame waka. Obi na na adwene opeda okechiro. But because they have taken the ability of judging away, into may beki biara na judge you. What kind of lifestyle is that? Ame, mekasa, me pocho judge what I say and judge me. Men can Bernard waka da on the nyamena waka. I taught my church. I'm not me with the mazi. They should judge me. They should not sit there and say, okay, Papa Akada. No. I mean, we are not that unintelligent. Them will be a beki bias nyamena waka. On what kind of lifestyle is that one? So we need to let the body of Christ know. Or so will be a kasa. Let judge it. Because people have lied. And some of them knew they were lying. I met people and I said, I like confrontation. I don't know how to lie. And that's what people don't like me, and I don't care about that one. I met people who knew that they were lying, but they were still on radio stations lying. When we meet in private, they knew they were lying. If I had to confront one, you know that what you are telling this man is a lie. Why won't you tell the man the truth? Because of what you think you can get. I mean, I'm not sponsored by a politician. Hey, as I'm to me kind of acquiring chero. Sunday, you want to be more honorable Nizin or chapel. Be born Nizin because being slow. Man, I make a chum now on the one what when Guasaba. And I will look at your face and tell you the truth. A pie chapel, but don't leave Christ. Look for another church and attend, but don't leave Christ. So when people learn how to judge, we will know how some people have lied to us for years. In the Martian common oil no cora, only in Chile, Yami Admo, Chamebeka, some oil no cora. That is the mistake we make. That is the mistake we keep making. Oh, so okay, you're empty. More bekibia onto them. Onto them. You didn't buy letter, Papa.
I was in a letter for Munyai. I say, I am on Cado Crano. Engineering penny for no. Latter.
Make sure that a guy be a contest for election. No, Papa Mpocho. Me contest this seat. Na me pedemu the moon and the moon. Can you call it? Most of the I will not put all my investment into that. Make a change MPP. Election in win. The constituency they win. That's not the constituency you are in. How about their boy? You will lose. Why the honorable? Why? And because I told him the truth, my integrity is now okay. Bernard will not lie. I will tell you, And I told you, the number of MPs who stopped coming to church. Did you see me calling them? I don't have that time.
Catch members here. Would you church about?
They still come to church. Do you think I care? She said, one guy saying there, I'm not about letter, another other prophets no about letter. You will know.
It is this year, Elbernard catch all there. If they win another in win, or they take it serious. In winner, so when you're going to catch all the in winner, there is no turning back. Obia into Mississippi.
The Mazina, oh yeah, some of what 10 is about Pina, Bona Wabwa.
Yankopon the master not Messa Sano, Metan,
Bona Wabwa, Wanyame. Many of them are not God. Many of them are not bold. Some of them don't, you see. Oh God, help us. And the best is most of them know their line. Most of them know their line. You see, we should not put ourselves in the place of God. We are just messengers of God. We say what God has said. We leave the rest. Now, hey, then I really suspect you. So if you are saying that this is the like if someone says that I'll be afraid of such a person. As nyamesing there but me famo. In Tebeka to nyamesing ain't no being win by a bed 10 and I'll be very careful to deal with you. That it come
because why they're turning.
No, so Sanyame no send ain't no be winner. Why are you say you will turn it and can and you using
because Nyamia can is into me.
Sanyame na wa can dem za. I think that God's will is the best. In saying if Nyame will in ya, let's follow the will of God. But let us clarify here is that when it comes to election prophecies now, what can do be winner? Only in cheddar or Yango upon the will. One in China come today and come share me win. I mean, Mamu win that Yakwa to Abano. Ghana for what to be at what to be. What to be the what count? What country? What's his excellence in the way? Into one Yami put on that me choose and a choose. I ain't Uncle Japoto Abana, me one more basic.
Uncle, I even listen to me. Some fun there. Messu Gunyanko Ponodo, Demi here the Mazi. Man Yankopono when who work can okay as we see this be the after okay men who mobile Wasabeka Obi or teaching bia Mohuye ne hino also go to Makobon pay will be a swing when Yankopon the same Yankopon yes some nodo Emma Yankopon who damn in Panama born ma was a son
Oyen Sempi Mutum Maka afon. But in Zame Pinangasano, or a matter of personal relationship. So let us, all of us, come to the place of knowing God. When we get to know God, then some of all of these things will not exist. Then I miss day ne bompe no changing. Say ete oye enkom sha, oye Isaiah, or the coach Ezekiah. Oye Isaiah no ko bompe. Oye Ezekiah no na no ko bompe. Na nyame mobo nse nyame aka ache me de eyi bonwina onya me kwa ko bompe da nyame change eyi man see the lot of problem with the prophetic ministry in Ghana. Now I'm doing a series on it. When I'm done I'll start writing on it. There are a lot of issues the prophetic ministry in Ghana. Ghana have one of the finest prophets. But our problem is that we try to, number one, we the prophet don't know how to carry ourselves in terms of our character, our conduct. In order to be able to, it has destroyed the image of the prophetic, myself inclusive. I can't take myself out of it. Now, some of them is the people. Do you know that the average Ghanaian prefer other nations to Ghana?
I see.
The average Ghanaian sees anything from Ghana as inferior, but if it's a product from outside, they want it. That's why echo few crampone say akoko, what's akoko be or ya bofo akoko, maybe or if akoko, what kind of nonsense is that? So we need a mind shift where we value what we have. You see, into the average Ghanaian would rather want to go for what is outside than what is inside. So there is a lot of issues. Them question be said, I just want to beat about the bush and just ignore it. That's why I'm saying all of these things.
And yet today so for be a boy no aka there wo friend there no. My shame come we saying I was so mo be ye e ho nuoma no ne ade a no ho akaze wo bra no obo hum na azana dam so for no oye be so far
in some be or no corridor or they to it takes some steps to meet people to get some things done. In some be that has been done. But me sure that yenzema that is meant to benefit ayena asofo. Me more example. Kofi Akunoko, Honorable Kofi Akunoko, what is the name of his constituency? Okay, so Eval Jumor Ejua, their MP, their current MP now, on promotion, other abortion. Now, Ansana Obonwin the first election, no being boom. Now that time, never the EC and Chapel Dana year bre, never pay boom. Now, bro, boom, you're missing the election, Obonwin, but there is something he must do just to make sure he will sit on the seat. So 1 year he will all year obey with what was it? The Lord said he should go to his constituency and help them build. Now I want to say chapel they won't years then a year. Into why won't God tell me there any incident? But that's not what the Lord said. So it's not about benefit of the prophet. It's about what God have asked him to do. And so also we catch the yazin. That's almost every time. No, it looks like he's the one going to benefit and be very careful. Ombe mono or yaze I will never benefit if you or what. But your mama can put him say or yaze I won't ever benefit. So or you no corridor in conscious be bar. Or then go for they have to take steps to meet the prophet for certain direction. But if the direction is one that only profit the prophet, you be very careful. It is different. So for manyamia is in Bocho, me pede memo de me it's different. But if the direction or be benefit the prophet na Bocho sheni.
What the train?
Bocho only the sheni. No con even one can but I make actual.
Nice one.
Kindly watch the full video from my YouTube channel, BluntGhana. Please subscribe, like, and drop a comment over there as well. Thank you.